unbox my first Hermes Quota bag from the boutique with me. My SA really turned it for me with this because I got the, and you're gonna see what it is. This is a very desirable bag. I got this during the week of both Mother's Day, when everybody's trying to get stuff for their moms, and also the Met Gala, when there were all these celebrities in town, and I'm sure they were going to shop at the flagship just like I was. This was obviously something that was on my wish list for quite some time, and I think it's really gonna fill a gap in my collection. That being said, I'm not buying any more handbags for the rest of the year. This is it. Let me take the felt off. This is my new Constance 18 in black box leather. I at first was a little bit scared about this being box. I really did not specify for my essay what kind of leather I wanted this in, and I was a little surprised when I was offered a heritage leather. However, it just looks so classic, and I think the box leather and the shine together with the palladium hardware just goes so well. Another thing to know about box leather is while it can scratch more easily than like more textured leathers, they can buff out the scratches. And also, like, I'm very careful with my stuff. I love that this could be a shoulder bag. It could be this crossbodies on me, so there's that. You have the versatility. Inside, it also comes with a little mirror. You get it. It has its own little slot. You get a mirror with it, which I think is so cool. Yeah, kind of a dream bag for me. My other like Quota bags that I have, I bought pre-loved, but there is something to say about the fact that I'm the first owner of this one, and I just love it. So, do you have a dream bag? Tell us in the comments.